Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I got a package in the mail. No idea, I was not expecting this. My other packages that I was waiting on arrived, so this is a unknown and a surprise. Let's see what we have here. What is this? Sport something, I have no idea. Oh, I forgot this was coming. This is a sports water bottle that I will be reviewing on my channel here pretty soon, and it's bigger than I had expected. That's really large. It's really lightweight. It's got an interesting clasp. Let's see if I can figure out how to work it. There's a hinge there. Oh yeah, it's just very strong. Spring loaded. Very tight clasp. There's a rubber seal on top so it doesn't spill out. So there's a drinking hole. And a latch. This is cool. I've never seen a bottle with all these functions just from out of the box. Most of your stuff you see like in the sports stores and Walmart are nothing like that. There's a filter in the top. Look at that. So you can put ice in there and filter it right out as you drink. I'm guessing that's what that is, but I'll see later. I'll check out the website. That's pretty cool. And there's a seal there. This is a really good rugged bottle. Feels good. This is Landnics, it says here on the thing. And I'll put the Landnics, Landnics. I'll put the link down below to the company who sent this to me. And we're looking at a total capacity of 36 ounces. Though 32 is the normal, and this is 36 ounces, which is good because I prefer the extra capacity when I'm out in the field. Alright guys, well I'll be taking this out with me, actually, anytime we travel from now on, whether in the car, or in the trail, or in the field. And there's a nice little lanyard, which is also quite rugged. That's not going to fail on you anytime soon. That's really heavy duty. I'll be checking this out, and I'll get back to you guys on this in the next week or so. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and check out the comments and the video description for the link to this really awesome looking water bottle. Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Talk to you later.